Recording. Cool. All right, guys. A couple announcements before we really get started. Just to go over our schedule. Mondays and Wednesdays, I'm going to stream. If you guys need me to stream more, just let me know. I mean, I'm like you guys. I'm at home doing stuff at home. So if you need me to do some more stuff, I will. Tuesdays, Thursdays, there'll always be some sort of assignment to do. Fridays will be our surprise quiz. Now, stream 24/7. Yeah, right. um, on Friday, I'm going to try to do some Zoom meetings for people who need help with the quiz and just to see faces and stuff like that. So I'll set that up. I don't really know the times, so I'm going to do the same thing I did before and, Google Classroom, and we'll figure out a time to do it. Thanks, Blue Asian. Donate butts. Awesome. No, don't donate anything. All right. Oh, there we go. Cool. So the Zoom, I never used it before, but here it's good. All the other teachers said they use it. So anybody never use it before, Zoom? Are you hacking our computers as we speak? I'm not going to say yes or no, Alex. Well, I'm not typing, so probably not. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is probably put up a code that puts you right there. So if you do it from your phone, it'll put the app on your phone. If you do it from your computer, it'll help you download the app on the computer. You make an account, and then I'll give you a time and place, and it's pretty easy. I'm streaming my first class from 1:30 to 2, and I kind of need like a little break to do it. That's why I do 2:15. Does a 15 minutes bother you? I mean, it's not such a big deal. All right. Probably. This is me not typing. All right. So we had a little homework assignment, which was to do these two different functions. They're pretty easy. I'm going to go over them. There's nothing really to it. And before I go over it, I never finished no vowel. So I just want to go back and finish that one really quick and move on from there. I also think I made the whole screen viewable. Can you guys see everything from where I am? Like, you see where my mouse is highlighting stuff now and see the whole screen? All right, cool. So when we left off, we're doing this no vowel, and I sort of did it like this, and it wasn't working, and I kind of made it not work on purpose. So if I put my whole name with the sunshine, it was putting things to a new line. It was printing all the letters. It wasn't doing everything that I wanted it to do. So what I'm going to do is put an else in here and start working in the opposite direction. So I'm going to say instead of doing when it equals a vowel, I want it to print when it's not equal to a vowel. So I'm going to cut this out and put it over here. Now, I'm going to say if you are an A, or an E, or an I, or a U, or an O, I want you to do something. If I run the code as it is, I have nothing in this if, it's going to yell at me, and we can see it yell at me. So it says, there's nothing for it to do an else. Why are we doing an else? So what I'm going to do is say to the compiler, hey, if that happens, I want you to simply continue your code. So if you get to the letter, it's cool, continue, which puts you back to the for loop. If not, go to the else. So let's see if that does anything different. All right, so what's my name? Sunshine. All right, so it actually printed everything out without the vowels. But now I don't want it to go so crazy the way it is, where it's going up to down. I'm being lazy and not worrying about it. All I have to do is add the to lower to make it not worry about uppercase or lowercase, but I'm not going to worry about it for right now. All right, so you want to do that ends thing, so let's do that. So comma ends with the space. All right. And then after this whole loop is done, I'm just going to print the space so I get out of it. And let's see if that does what we want it to do. Run, what is your name? Sunshine. Oh. End. Run, what is your name? Sunshine. Cool. But now it kind of spaced everything out. So it's not still doing what I want it to do. So what I'm going to do is push this down a second, and I'm going to create something called temp. And temp is going to equal nothing. Get rid of the space here. Do you think that's going to do it? So let's see. All right, so let's leave it that way, and it works. You guys are so smart. Sunshine. Oh, cool. So smart. You guys are my favorite Python class ever. All right, let's do the easy ones now from the homework. So 3name is going to take in a name.